Another measure of central tendency is the median. So in this video, we're going to find the median of ungrouped data. What is the median? It is the middlemost or central value in an ordered set. When we say ordered, they are in array, meaning arranged. When it is numbers, they are arranged in ascending or descending order. To determine the median of ungrouped data, rank the data. Usually, this is from lowest to highest. Median is denoted by this symbol, which is read as X tilde. The formula in symbol is X tilde or median equals N, which is the total number of scores, plus 1 divided by 2 score. So that's the position of the median. Let's take example 1. Find the median of the set of data 15, 32, 8, 40, 22, 25, 20, or 12 rather. So we're going to have two solutions here. Solution 1. To find the median, always arrange the data in order first, usually in ascending order. Then by inspection, so here is the data set in order, arranged in ascending, 8, 12, followed by 15, then 22, then 25, 32, and then 40. Take note, median is the middlemost. It divides the data set into lower half and upper half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 scores. Therefore, the middlemost is the fourth, which is 22. Lower half is 8, 12, 15. The upper half, there are 25, 32, 40. Always remember, the number of scores on the lower half and the upper half of the ordered data are equal. N is 7. Solution 2 by using the formula N plus 1 over 2 to find the position of the median. 7 plus 1, 8 over 2 is, the median is the fourth score. So counting from the lowest score or value, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the median is 22. Another example, number 2, find the median of the data set. So the data set is not arranged in order yet, so we need to arrange them in order, usually in ascending. Then identify the middle score. In this data set, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. N is 13, it is an odd. Therefore, there is only one middle score or the median. It divides the lower half. The lower half, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the upper half, there are 6 scores also. So the middle score is 13. This is the median. For our solution 2, arrange the data. 13 is the value of N plus 1 divided by 2, which is 14 divided by 2 is the 7th score, counting from the lowest score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, median is 13. Example 3. Find the median of the set of data. Let's arrange them first in an array. Then identify the middle scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10. It's an even number. Therefore, there are 2 middle scores. The middle scores are 14 and 20. Take note, the median must be one value. So how to find it? Get the mean of 14 and 20. 14 plus 20 divided by 2 is 17. That's the median. For our solution 2, using the formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10. It's an even number. That's why we have 2 middle scores. Using the formula for the median, N is 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5 score. So this is the mean of the 5th and the 6th scores. The 5th and the 6th are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the 5th. 6th is 20. 14 plus 20 divided by 2 is 17. Another example. Example 4. Find the median of the set of data. For solution 1, arrange the data or the scores into an array or arrange them in ascending order. Then, identify the middle scores. Since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 scores, therefore it's an even number, so there are 2 middle scores. The middle scores are 44 and 50. Let's check if these two are the middle scores. Make sure that the number of scores in the lower half is equal to the number of scores in the upper half. In the lower half, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores. In the upper half, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Therefore, they are equal. Then the 44 and 50 are the middle scores. And then, since there is only one median for a set of data, we need to find the mean of 44 and 50. So that is 44 plus 50 divided by 2 is 47, and that is the median. For solution 2, N is 12. Using the formula to find the median, and that is median is equal to, or x tilde is equal to N is 12 plus 1 divided by 2 is 4. So we need to find the position of this score. N is 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 2 is, the median is in the 6.5 score. So that is the mean of the 6th and the 7th scores. The 6th score is 44. The 7th is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7th is 50. So that is 44 plus 50 divided by 2 is 47. Example 5. The frequency table shows the number of cars owned by 17 families. Find the median. On the first column, given are the number of cars with the corresponding number of families in the second column. There are 3 families with no car, 4 families with 1 car, 6 families with 2 cars, 2 families with 3 cars, 2 families with 5 cars. Find the median. First, let's get the total frequencies. Let's check if there are 17 families by adding all the frequencies in this column. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 2, 17. So n is 17. Substituting this to the formula of the median, x tilde is equal to 17 plus 1 all over 2. So this is the position of the median. This is the 9th score. To find the 9th score, calculate the less than cumulative frequency. What is less than cumulative frequency? It involves summing the frequencies of all the data points that are less than or equal to a particular value in the data set. So starting here, there are 3 families with no cars, then adding the next frequency, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 means there are 13 families that have 2 cars, 1 car, or no car at all. Then 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 means there are 15 families that have 3 cars, 2 cars, 1 car, or no car at all. And 15 plus 2 is 17. This means that there are 17 families that have equal to 5 cars or less than 5. The position of the median, the 9th score, is found at the less than cumulative frequency. 9th here is less than 13. So what is the 9th score? So this means that the 9th score is 2. So that is the median number of cars. Example 6 is similar to example 5. The science scores of Mr. Vergara's students are shown at the frequency table below. Find the median score. In this table, there is 1 student who got 5, 3 students who got 10, 5 students who scored 15, 7 students who scored 22, 3 students scored 25, 1 student scored 28. To find the median, first get the total frequency. By adding all the frequencies, there are 20. Then substitute this to the median formula. X tilde is equal to 20 plus 2, or X tilde. To get the median, let's calculate the position of the median. To get the median score, find the position of that score by using the formula of the median. X tilde is equal to 20 plus 1 all over 2. This is 10.5. The position of the score is between 10th and 11th score. To find the 10th and 11th score, we need the less than cumulative frequency. This is summing up the frequencies that are less than or equal to a particular value. So starting with the lowest score, there is 1, and then adding this with the next frequency, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means there are 4 students that scored equal to 10 or 5. Continue. 4 plus 5 is 9. There are 9 students who scored equal to 15 or below. Then 9 plus 7 is 16. There are 16 students who scored equal to 22 or less than 22. Then 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So there are 20 students who scored equal to 28 or less than 28. Now, find the 10th and 11th score. From the score of 5 up to 22, there are 16 students who got 22 or below. Where can we find the 10th and 11th score? The 9th score is 15. And the next one, which is the 10th, is 22. The 11th score is also 22. There are 7 with a score of 22. So this means that it is found at this row. Therefore, the median score is 22. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Videos related to mean and mode of ungroup data are also available in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!